Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. Today we're going to do something a little fun, a lot fun. It's Halloween, so it's going to be spooky. I have to show you my hoodie, as I just about fall over. My Jack Skeleton hoodie. Oh, it's kind of cool and appropriate to wear, you know. This is the week leading up to Halloween, so I am going to be making a witch's hat. Now this is a pattern from Crafts with Sarah. I will link down below for you the pattern, the full tutorial that she has. I'm just showing you kind of this is not a tutorial, it's just me putting it together, and I just thought it looked so cool and I wanted to bring you along. Let's just jump right into it. I saw this pop up in my email, I think it was a couple days ago now, the video tutorial for these witch hat lanterns from Crafts with Sarah. Now, she has a YouTube page. She also has a web page, I believe, so definitely go and check her out. I will put a link for the pattern for this and her tutorial all down below, and you guys can absolutely go and check out her channel and watch her tutorial. I just thought I would make it, and being as I was making it, I thought I would just show you little bits and pieces of it. For the most part, this craft is made using cardstock. I'm using regular cardstock and this beautiful purple cardstock, but it also uses vellum. Now the vellum is just a thin piece of craft paper that is kind of opaque. You can still see through it, but not real. It's not like saran wrap or anything like that. And then I just went ahead and cut it out, and then this is what's going to go on to the lantern part, so that when you put the candle inside, spoiler alert, that it's kind of opaque, right? So it's not totally clear. I have these glue markers. They're from Craft Medley Creative Essentials. Basically, they are a fine tip glue stick, so to speak, but it's like a liquid glue instead of a glue stick. And it's quite nice. I found these in a craft store in a little town couple hours away from here. And I picked up 2 or 3 of them, and I only have, I have 2 left, but one of them is almost done. This is what I'm going to use to stick these down. And so I'm just putting the glue onto the vellum. And once I get the glue all the way around, I just put it on the outside. I don't put any on the inside at all. But once I get all the glue all the way around on the outside, I'm going to take the vellum and flip it over on top of the black, which is the outside of the lantern. I am using a pair of tweezers just because it's a little bit easier that way. So here I am just flipping it over and going to stick it down, and I'm going to repeat that same process for all 6 of them. This process actually was quite easy, and it sure made a difference on each of those little panels, as you'll see at the end. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to start putting on all the little spiders. So these little spiders were cut out using glitter paper, and they just turned out so darn cute. So for these, Sarah does suggest that you use like a foam, and this will just have them pop off the paper a bit. So I'm just cutting out little tiny squares, putting it onto the backs of the spiders, and then just placing the spiders. Now, you can follow Sarah's instructions, and that's pretty much what I did here. Or you can put them on however you want. It's up to you. I think these little spiders would be really cute if you cut them out of like an orange glitter or even a green glitter. I think that would be very cool as well. Whatever color you choose will be perfectly fine. So now it's time to start putting everything together, and you want to definitely follow Sarah's instructions and follow her guidelines that she set out in her tutorial, because it is very detailed and it makes the end product very cool. So here where I'm putting the legs onto the base, and then it's just all the big steps, but it's a lot of fun, and in the end, it's worth it. Now I did end up putting tape on the bottom of these, and even Sarah suggested that yes, you should or could put tape on the bottom to help hold these in place. There's lots of different pieces that you have to put together, and sometimes you just need a little bit of tape to help with the structural integrity of it. So now it's time to start putting on all these panels. These panels make up the main part of the hat, and this is where the light is going to shine through. So again, they have the little tabs, you poke them through the holes, and then you can put some tape on them. And it's such a cool little craft to make. And again, I'm going to go through and put some tape on there just to make sure that they all stay together. I don't want to go through all this work and then have it fall apart. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell to receive notification every time I upload a new video. As you can see, I've put a little tea light inside and the light just kind of flickers and glimmers in there, and it's just adorable. I really am happy that you joined me today, and I will see you in the next video. Happy crafting!